the project itself. Well, what are the reason for this 3D printing project? Well, with the worldwide pandemic, the problems in supply chains and in sectors of manufacturing and logistics has caused many problems, as many people realised. In a time of global crisis, this forces most companies to review their current methods and consider how to use new technology. And one of the new technologies is 3D printing or additive manufacturing. The objective of the project is to provide support for educational and training challenges related to equipping the future workforce with the relevant skills needed to participate in the 3D printing revolution. And the key focus of this project is on providing more entry-level, easily accessible courses to motivate adults with fewer qualifications. Phase 1 was the production of a guide on how to introduce 3D printing in an adult education setting for teachers. It encompasses a number of things. What is 3D printing? The opportunities and potential for its use, the impact on society, the prospects for employment, how to introduce 3D printing in training establishments, the type of hardware required, what the software, and some general tips and tricks about 3D printing. What are the 3D printers' best buys? What depends what you need it for, what you can get, and so on. So there's links to various organizations and companies, which we don't endorse any company at all, but we give some examples, but it's up to individuals to choose. How to maintain the equipment, and also where to buy the materials, because obviously if you're building a boat, that's different to building a shoe. So you'll need different materials. So it gives an overall picture of all these types of things to get you started, in a sense, to know what you can do with it, what value is it, what jobs might be, prospects for employment, and so on. So it tries to encompass all those for people to get them have a good idea of what 3D printing is all about and what you should do.